Hello everybody, it's the Tucker Dog and Pops here. We come and spend a couple of solo nights out here, and we're going to see what we can get into. And I can definitely tell y'all right now it's hot. It's only 90 degrees, but the feel like temperature is 102. So I think we're going to get things situated, and we're going to start our adventure. Y'all stick around. No telling what we're going to get into. I was in there, getting ready to start cooking. I think I'm cooking a shrimp stew with some potato. I step outside to turn my propane on and I get to looking. Man, the weather and wind is picking up. Like a good thunderstorm over there. I ain't hearing no thunder, no. Not yet. I guarantee y'all will be. Would really pick up. Yes, they don't hold. They're gonna turn me. It's really gonna turn me. Turn me that way. At least it's pushing against the anchor. Yeah, they got rain coming. I see it out there in the lake now. Coming across. We get in there, peel my potatoes, and we better start cooking and see what happens. Well, that was a strike of lightning over there. Oh well. So, get my roux cooking. Here we go. We're gonna brown it up. But the boat started rocking, and I look out the door, and the waves getting big out there, well, not big, get big enough to rock this thing. And yeah, we probably gonna get hit. Yeah, you never know. Might get lucky and burn off before I get here, but I don't think so. I'm gonna make my roux and stuff and get this cooked, and we'll be back. It looks like we're getting hit. Look at that boat beating and banging against a houseboat on a wave. Camera fogging up. Hopefully it don't hit us too hard. Okay, we getting hit. Get my stew going. We're rocking and rolling on it here so much, and hard to keep my balance on this thing, it seems like. Well, we're gonna let that cook down a little bit, and we're gonna let that weather kind of go over us. He done got dark out there. Definitely not gonna miss us. It's coming as right on top of us. Well, not on top of us yet, but we on the edge of it. It's coming. They got a weather bulletin in, and they talking saying 40-mile-an-hour gusts, heavy rain, all kind of lightning. This old steel and aluminum boat. I'm kind of glad I got a cypress tree right next to me. I think hopefully, lightning come that close, it'll choose a cypress tree over the houseboat. Well, guess the only choice that we got is just lay around and ride it out. See what happens. When they switch direction on us, we'll see what's gonna happen with the waves. The waves will probably calm down a little bit. Well, the lightning getting close enough for me, guys. A tenth of a mile away, it get too close. It hurt me bad. I don't want to get struck. Definitely coming down. Yeah. So the rock the other direction now. Oh, that's a good strike. Haven't went too far away. Riding out some more. Even though Tucker Dogg ain't like it. First time I let him up here in the bed, so I guess had to let it slide this time. Hope he don't start no habit of it. He good scared where he's at right now. That one right on top of us. Got it's alright, Tucker. It's alright. Oh man, Tucker about to have a heart attack over here where he's at. That lightning struck right there, right close by. Real close. That's close enough, lightning. Close enough. That's starting to lighten up. That's hard. Hopefully it won't be too much more. Looks like we're going to be just fine. Well, I think the worst of it's over with. The boat ain't rocking around no more. The wind died down. Just some rain. Sang the sun is way off in the distance now, so I guess we're gonna be all right for the time being. But meanwhile, we're still cooking. Ooh, we got our shrimp stew smelling good up in here. So I gotta peel them shrimp and get that put in there too, get that cooking. And also I gotta figure out my refrigerator. Everything in the bottom frozen. I have frozen watermelon, frozen milk, frozen eggs. But I'm thinking, I don't know if I'm wrong or not, but help me out. I'm thinking maybe I got too much stuff in the freezer. So we'll thin it out and see what happens with it. Okay, I think I got this one. Check them out. Yeah. That's smelling so good, but look at the finished result. Yeah. I know I got that one ready. Yeah, well, I'm going to enjoy my dinner. And now as the rain has slowed down, we might throw a rod and reel out. We're going to see what the weather's going to do first. Well, me and Tucker Dogg, we forgot a few little supplies there. So we're going to go make us a quick run back home and get the rest of that stuff, including my fishing pole. I left my fishing pole. I got fishing poles over here. I got another one that I like to use that I got brought back. So we're gonna make us a run to the house, and then we're coming back. Hopefully we can make it all before dark. Got a little break in the rain. I think it's supposed to start raining again there in a little while, so I guess we're gonna be pushing it. Catch back up with y'all in a little while. Man, y'all looking serious around here.
That dog's more serious than us.
Oh, he's dead serious. All the way back home. Got the stuff I forgot. Some towels and some dog food and a couple other little things. Make it back to the houseboat. All I realized, I left some stuff in the truck. I had to go back all the way back to the truck. We're back at the houseboat, and we didn't get wet, so look like we're in good shape for that. I'm gonna get back in there and see if I can get some bait out there freezer and see what I can do. All right. We're going to drop it right off the front of this boat right here. We're not casting it much. We're going to put it right there in the edge of that grass. That's the grass right there. That's where we're going to put it at. I'll get this undone. And for bait, we're going to use them shrimp heads from them shrimp that I peeled for my shrimp stew earlier today. Before we try anything else, we're gonna get, we're gonna put this big juicy head on there. See what happens. A little bit frozen. Comes right there. We're gonna go right there. All right, guys. Fishing ain't fishing too much right now. Watch out, Bean. Go on, Bean. So I'm going to grab and took the head off of it anyhow. Oh, well. But what we're going to try, ain't got nothing else going on right now. I got me a cinnamon spice drop that I'm going to put on that hook. And I got me a cinnamon spice drop that I'm going to put on that hook. And we're going to see if that's going to work. But if it works, it works. I think it might, because these spice drops are made with gelatin. And gelatin is made from bone marrow. And that's what the fish are attracted to, is the bone stuff, the gelatin in it. So we're gonna let that sit right there and do its thing. No, we don't want to put it in that one. We want to put it in that one. I need to take those off, get them out the way. I ain't got nothing to lose. I ain't real interested in fishing right now. Fish don't seem to be biting. But we're gonna find out if the spice drop works for catfish or not. So I'm gonna pull in my spice drop and see if it stays on the hook. So that's a plus. But we're gonna put that back out there, and we're just gonna let it sit. Ain't gonna hurt nothing either way. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Y'all gonna know as soon as I know. That old weather that comes through, look like it's gonna cause me a problem. Cause that current's coming this way, and they got a whole island coming this way. Let me zoom in on it. Well, guys, I didn't fly my drone in a while, but I figured I'd take advantage of the lilies. Put my launch, my drone takeoff pad right there, coming out the jungle, guys. Morning. Yeah, got a nice cool morning this morning. Well, cool for the summertime. Oh, that little island of grass back there, I was worried about it. It didn't come meet us. It stayed back there, hooked up to that tree, kind of halfway around it. Well, that patch of grass, it stayed put over there. Ain't no, at least I ain't got to deal with it. But other thing I got this morning is this right here to deal with. And it looks like it's packed in pretty tight. But we'll see later on. I don't plan on going anywhere just yet. So I'm gonna get in there and make my coffee, cook me some breakfast. Oh, fish are moving. I don't know what kind of fish, but fish are moving. Well, I think I'm gonna cook me some sausage and eggs, as if hopefully the eggs didn't freeze up like everything else did in that freezer, that refrigerator. Well, man, the only thing this thing does is you got some mosquitoes it brought with it. So make it in there, make my coffee, and cook me some breakfast, and get my day started. All right, y'all. Time to get serious about this fishing. Going to take that old spice drop off there. We're gonna try that another time. We're gonna put some shrimp head on there. I guess that's why. It doesn't melt it all off. We're gonna try it again later. First we're gonna be getting some time to get serious. All right. We're gonna see where we can find them at. Cause I'm bet you. Bet you they got one right there. So we're gonna let that soak, and we're gonna see what they got coming. Yeah, you got sunshine coming on pretty strong. Looks like something hitting on it already. He probably got my bait though. Maybe I ought to stay out here with it. Let's see if he got the bait or not. No, he ain't got the bait yet. Oh, too soon, too soon. Some patience, boys, some patience. Oh well. He don't feel too big anyhow, so we're gonna put it right back in that same spot. Like that. All right. Man, we got one hitting on it already. We'll let him hit it a little bit better this time. There we go. Well, maybe not that small after all. He's not that big. Yeah. Look at that. A little blue. Little fat belly greedy one too. Yeah. Oh. Go. All right, let me go get me another piece of bait. We'll get that back out there. Oh, maybe we got another bite. Maybe another small one. Come on, you can do it. Oh, a little better than that. Grab a hold of it. Grab a hold of it. There we go. All right. Let's see what we got here. This one feels like a little bit bigger. Not a whole lot bigger, but a little bit bigger. It's actually smaller. Put up a good fight, though. Oh. I gotta get another piece of bait. Get that defrosted. I'm gonna get a couple more pieces of bait, get them defrosted, and see what we can do. Maybe the big ones might move in by then. All right. Come on, give me a nice channel. Well, I think they got just have a nest of them. Them little small blues. All right, let's see what we can do, Tucker. We're gonna start with we're gonna put another head on there. Like that. And we're gonna let him play with it for a little while. Hopefully. Got some patience. All right, looks like a good spot. Be nice if they had a few big ones move in. Looks like I see some clouds building up back there again. And, I was supposed to go pick up Captain Dee and waiting on a package to come in to do our boondocking with. And I figure after that package again, I'll go get her and that package, but I might have to think twice about that. We're gonna wait and see till the last minute though. Guess they done quit. Get out there, son. Well, since there's only small ones right now, I guess I better do something about that them lilies back there. I think maybe I should have done something about that a long time ago. But, I probably got ants and everything else on the back of this houseboat now. Now if I can get that through there and get it on out of here, we're gonna be in good shape. Moving a little bit. If I get it turned a little bit, might get through these trees right there. Hopefully they knot it up good enough that they go stay together for a minute. It looks like they're breaking apart. Oh well. Keep hearing some thunder back there in the background. Well, I ain't gonna mind no rain right about now because it's hot. It done got hot quick out here today. Oh, I'm gonna go look at the radar and see what we got coming for me. And I think I'm gonna warm me up some lunch. Got some leftover shrimp and potato stew. That's gonna go real good right about now. And then hopefully pretty soon we'll be going to pick up Dean. And Tucker, we going and take us a ride, pick up the Captain Dee. We're gonna do some fishing. But this week got your egg in this because it's hot out here. Oh Lord, it's hot. We got a hard one. But enough for that crime. We're gonna take us a boat ride, pick up the Captain Dee, and we're gonna be back. Here we go. Got the Captain Dee. You got that yeah, we got Captain Dee. See? Oh, yeah. Dee ain't put a fishing pole out yet. You believe that? She said she's not feeling too good. I think I'm gonna cut up and use it for alligator bait. We're gonna smother down some pork chops for our dinner tonight. See if that make her feel any better. She probably ain't gonna want to eat that neither. She's not too big on rice all that often. No, she's talking about making some eggs. Oh. Gonna get that brown up. Start making some gravy. Salt and pepper on that right now. I don't know why I'm using this one. It's right here. Right here. Hey guys, Cajun cooking ain't that hard. You take your meat and you brown it real good. Put them green leaves in the bottom of that pot. Throw some seasoning, blend onion mix in there. Cook that down, let that brown a little bit. Throw you some water. Call it good. Let it cook. All there to it. Yeah. Once you got that brown, you pick that meat out of there, throw them on you. Now, I did forget to say that I use some butter to help brown that meat. Oh yeah, it's gonna make a pretty gravy, honey. Yeah, I think we're gonna be all right. Give it a little bit more heat. And why you pull that stuff off the bottom of that pot real good, yeah. Well, after you get that, you brown the onion down just a little bit, add your water. Not that much to start with. Well, I'm gonna finish cooking this down, get the rice going. And I guess we see y'all when it's cooked. Ain't nothing left else to do but cook it. There we have it. Smothered pork chop, rice and gravy. We're gonna enjoy our dinner. And gonna take it easy for the rest of the evening. Something about this set. And well, sit back and relax. Check it out. And we got that new toy, got that DJI camera guy, and had our dinner. And let me tell you, it was good. It was real good. I need to learn how to use this thing, and I need a fancy SD card for it, because the SD card I got is talking about it too slow. I gotta look into that. And it's supposed to have a super night mode, so we're gonna try it tonight, see what it does. See if we pick up them mosquitoes out there. Yeah. All right. Let me turn that off and see if I can figure it out some more. Everybody, we're gonna call it a week. We got out here, and Dee got to where she wasn't feeling good, so didn't get to do nothing other than lay around and rest, and had to cook a little bit, but that's about it. But, oh, get out the tree, boy. So if you made it this far, thank y'all very much, and hopefully we'll see y'all again next week. But now we got some weather to try to beat. It don't look good at all. I'm gonna get around this corner. Look like me and Captain Dee beat the weather. Yeah, a bunch of lightning and everything. But I tell y'all, happy 4th of July. They definitely got some people coming out this weekend. Parking lot full. Give you a little pan around. All that thunder, you heard that thunder out there? We're going to the house and see if we can relax and beat the rain getting home. Y'all come back next week, guys.